Hi everyone, I am Leslie Josel, the owner of Order Out of Chaos and the creator of the Academic Planner, a tool for time management, keeping your students on task, on time, and on track. And I invite you to join me today on what I am calling a virtual user guide. I'm going to be taking you inside the planner and showing you some features that you just might not have noticed in the photos that you've seen on our website. So come join me as I take you along. So let's start with our 8.5 by 11 size planner that we call our letter size. It comes in 4 color covers and it is made with the thickest, heaviest vinyl we can find. We know that these planners have to stand up to the abuse your child gives it, whether it's throwing it in the bottom of a backpack or on the floor of the school bus and everything in between. So super sturdy vinyl is what we use for both covers for the small and the large size planners. All right, quickly, class schedule information. We like having your student write it, commits it to memory, and has it up front and center. Moving on to our planner pointers. I really want you to spend some time here with your student when they get the planner. We really believe that you can't just hand a planner to a student and think they're just going to know how to use it. So all these different features, the planner pointers, the user guide, even the stickers, give your student an organic way to truly understand and feel how the planner should work and their experience with it. So the planner pointers are just quick tips on everything from where to write no homework to even writing quizzes and tests vertically so it stands out and everything in between. So when they get the planner, make sure you spend a little time on this page. But this is really where the magic happens. This is our planner user guide, and it gives your student a true snapshot of what the planner will look like when they are actually using it. So let me point out the 3 key features. The first one is the class tab here. It is customizable, and we think that is so key for your student. So many of your students come home with a planner that either has their subjects printed, and most of the time they're subjects your child doesn't even take, or your child has to write and rewrite them over again every week, and eventually they just stop doing it. So you will see in real time, you can see right here, it is customizable and that the agenda pages are shorter, so your student only has to write their classes once. The other thing that makes the planner very special is that it is in grid format. The dates and the days of the week go across the top, subjects go down the side, and then everything else falls in place to really give your child a view of what it is they need to do. If your child was given a planner that has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on one side, Thursday, Friday on the other, there is no way your child will be able to see what is due further down the line. And as we say here at Order Out of Chaos, if your child can't see their time or see what they have to do, they certainly are not going to be able to manage it. And the third feature, which we are really proud of because it is patented design, and we tell you that so you know that there is no other planner on the market that looks like this, is the place where the magic happens. That's where your student writes in what they have to do. Could be tutoring, dance class, rehearsal, sports, whatever they do. But what happens when they write in their schedule is natural open blocks of time become visible for them. So you can see this student here on Monday has all of this time open, or on Wednesday has all this time. And that's where they do the planning. So let me bring it home a little bit more for you. Here is this student's schedule for Friday. This is a high school student. They have a chapter test here in math. They have a quiz in science and some other homework assignments. But look at their Thursday. They have a heavy duty schedule. They don't get home till later in the day and might not have enough time on Thursday to get all of this studying and homework done. But look at their Wednesday. It's pretty wide open. So for this student, what we would do is have them do the bulk of their studying, the bulk of their work on Wednesday, and use Thursday evening just to do some quick review to get ready for the next day. That's the beauty of being able to see your assignments and your time together, which really is the definition of time management. Like we said, we support your student wholly. So we provided with the planner not only a project planning guide, but a study planning guide. And you can go to our website. The address is right here, where you can download as many copies of these as you would like. And these study guides and planning guides really take your students step by step, explaining to them how to use them. So another great additional tool to really make the planner a one-stop shop for them. Okay, school year at a glance. I don't know about you, but I need to see my year at a glance. But what I want to point out here is the feature of why they are different colors. Some of you have asked us that, and what we say is there is nothing in this planner that hasn't been thought out for your student. Some students are color-coded kids. They don't like the page marker. They don't even like the tabs. So alternating colors allows your student to zero in on the next month very, very easily. And the same colors that you see here correspond in the weekly planning pages. Okay, moving on. Lots of my notes right here, making sure I get it all in for you. Again, this is where your student's going to write their subjects. And the other thing I want to point out is that before every month, your student gets a full-size calendar and a full-size note page. Let's focus here for a minute. Again, a lot of our students use this to work out studying long-term projects and then take that information and feed it into their weekly calendars. But as you can also see, we use our stickers here. So these are our brand new stickers that we redesigned this year. We love them because one of the things we did this year is we gave you blank stickers so that students can actually write in things that they wanted and not what we wanted. Our stickers fit not only on the full-size calendar pages, they also fit in the weekly agenda pages, and they fit in both size planners. Okay. The other thing I want to show you is this is made of cardstock, not paper. So this is super sturdy, and you can use Sharpies, pens, pencils, whatever you want right here in the subject page, making it truly customizable for your student. Now, before you ask, we get this question all the time. What happens if my student changes his mind and doesn't want math to be first or changes subjects mid-year? Leslie, I don't want to buy another planner. And I'm going to say, you shouldn't have to buy another planner. What you have to buy are customized labels. Now, could you use labels you have at home? Absolutely. But ours are customized to fit these blocks perfectly. And I'm just going to say it. Everything we make, the tabs, the stickers, all are customized to fit the planner. So my rule of thumb is if something is customizable to something you've purchased, buy what they're offering because it just makes everything look cleaner. So there you go. See, super easy, covers it up, and you get 14 of these so you can use them on this side as well as this side. Okay, let's move on to the tabs. So not everybody likes the colors, not everybody wants a page marker. So we have monthly tabs that were redesigned this year as well. And again, what's lovely about this is you can fit a full row right here. I spaced mine close together. You can do them further apart. And the tabs fit both the small size and the large size. Okay, this is what it looks like in real time. This is our page marker. It's clear. Reason why we make this clear is to allow you to be able to see underneath it so your child's agenda is not blocked. And again, stickers here, stickers there, showing you that they can be used anywhere you would like in the planner. The last feature I want to show you in the large size planner, actually two, is that we listen to you. A lot of you have said to us that your student folds their planner in school or at home. And when they do, I want to show you this. There we go. That's better. You lose the tab on the front. So we have provided you the second tab for your child to customize his classes right here. And this way, the rest of the week is as fluid as it was in the beginning. This way, they don't have to leave it open. They can fold it in half and they're still good to go. And then of course, we have our favorite feature, which is that vinyl sewn in pocket. And this year, your stickers fold so your student can have them completely handy for them. And that is the tour of the 8.5 by 11 planner. Let's move on to the small size. So this is our smaller size planner. It's about 8.5 by 8.5 in size. We call it our personal size planner because it is very toteable. And this planner is really used a lot by our older students, like high school, definitely college. Our homeschoolers really find it very usable too because it has all day planning capabilities. Again, same gorgeous vinyl, same papers, same everything. But I want to bring you to this user guide. So this planner is a little bit different in that we've designed it with 6 subject boxes and an empty to-do. Now, if your student has 7 subjects, can they use that to-do for an additional subject? Absolutely. But we really wanted there to be a to-do box visually for the student so that they could use it for reminders, like whether it's bringing money in for a trip or getting a slip signed or even, making a meeting with a professor or a teacher. The other thing you will see here that's different is this planner has all day planning capabilities. It begins at 8 a.m. and takes your student through to 9 p.m. Again, this is really popular with our college students, our homeschooling students, and even adults who use those class boxes and customize them as well. Everything is the same. We give you the study planning guides, the project planning guides, the school year at a glance. Again, that same beautiful cardstock. And you can see that the stickers fit here nicely as well. The tabs, you can also get them down one line if you'd like, but if you like things spaced out, you can do 2 rows. Again, totally customizable to whatever works for you. Pagemarker fits here really nicely. Again, it's clear so you can see under it, and you can also see that the stickers fit here as well. What I do want to remind you is we sell our stickers, our tabs, and the Pagemarker individually on the site or in a bundle that is called the accessory pack. So again, if you see the accessory pack on the site, these are the 3 components that come in that pack. Just want to make that clear. The other important thing to show you here is we give you that same subject tab here right on the back. So again, if you want to fold the planner, not a problem. It's right here for you to see. And we have our vinyl pocket. But this is important. Those same subject labels that you saw for the large one, they come with the smaller size planner. You do not need to purchase them separately. If you want the stickers for the large size planner, those you need to do separately, but not the small. Okay, that is our tour of the small size planner as well. And I hope that this behind the scenes look really helped you to get a good look at some of the features that you might not see in the photos on the website.